In this video, I will show how to set up Audacity in macOS Big Sur. To get the installation file, please browse to audacityteam.org. Here in the Download menu, click on the Mac. It will take you to a page where you can see the current version of Audacity. If you scroll down a bit, you will see a link to macOS DMG file. Click on that, and you will be taken to another page where you can download the file. Here you have to scroll down to Download section, and you will see a macOS DMG link in the list. Click on that, and you will be asked where to save the file. I will save in Downloads. It has started downloading. It is only a 40 megabyte file, so will be downloaded quickly. Once download is complete, you can open the file from here, or go to the location where you saved the file. I will go to my Downloads folder, and here is the downloaded DMG file. Double-click on that, and it will start opening. Then this drag screen will appear. You just have to drag it to the Applications folder, and it will be installed. If you have already Audacity installed, you will see this replacement message. If you have an older version installed, it will ask if you want to replace that with a newer version. If you don't have Audacity installed, you won't see this message. Click Replace and it will start copying Audacity in Applications. Now open Audacity from Applications, and it will start to open. You will be asked for this confirmation when you open Audacity for the first time. As we had to get Audacity setup file from outside App Store, this confirmation is asked. Click Open. Please like this video if it is any help to you. Audacity is now ready and you can start recording and editing your amazing audio. See you next time. Till then, happy recording.